Hey, good morning. It's Matt here with Avant Garde 911R and Bring a Trailer. And today, the 71 Chevelle Malibu convertible is ending. So I thought we'd just do a quick little walk around, just talk about the highlights of it and some stuff about the car. So start with the heart of it, the 454 big block that's in it. Crate motor, 454 Chevy big block. It's got a new Edelbrock carburetor on it. It's got air conditioning that works good. It has power steering. It's got Hedman headers, MSD ignition, Wilwood brakes. It's got Wilwood brakes with four piston calipers front and rear with big vented rotors front and rear. The Ridler 18-inch wheels. So the suspension, the chassis, everything about this car has really been dialed in and brought up to kind of modern standards for power and stopping and air conditioning. So that's a really nice upgrade. These cars had narrow nylon tires when they originally. This car performed so much better than when it was originally built. Again, so it's walking around here. The car's got really nice paint on it. It's got two paint flaws on it. One you can see right here. By the pin, it's a crack in the clear, and there's one similar over on the driver's door. We'll show that when we get around there. But walking around, nice bright work trim all the way around, the SS badging, which we know it's a clone, but very, very common on these cars. You got cool bucket seats, 4-speed automatic shifter for the 4-speed 4L65E transmission, correct steering wheel, Bluetooth stereo. It also comes with a really nice velour car cover for the car. The boot on the top is nice and fits good. The top works good. It's a power top. Again, come around, you got the cool Ridler wheels on the back. To the back and the trunk, we'll open it up. Opens up. Has the original steel wheel with the BFG in it, but also underneath here it has a Ridler 18-inch wheel that matches. So you get 5 Ridler wheels on it. You have the jack kit and everything, the stickers. The inside the trunk, the jams is all finished fairly nice as well. Then we come around the driver's side. The body panels are very nice and straight. There's no big door dings. This is the only other paint flaw here by the door. Again, cracking in the clear. The car's got a lot of clear coat on it. I was showing a guy the other day that you can barely feel the stripes on it because they get so much clear on this car. So lots of protection. It was obviously an expensive paint job and well done. We got a tilt column, steering column in it, and the cool aftermarket gauges, which all work good. So the car's got about 4,500 miles on it since the restoration was completed. Our client put it, just over 3,000 of those miles on it and sorting it out. A lot of money has been spent on this car, going through, the new exhaust system that's all manual done, the better 4-speed electronic gearbox transmission, better carburetor. One other note, under the hood, it does have a big aluminum radiator with electric cooling fans. Again, this car's been really well sorted. It's been through some really good shops that have worked on it. We've inspected it, and we feel really good about it. Oh, one last thing. Truetrac rear end, 355 gearing, strange axles, which are really high quality racing axles. So again, this car's set up to go lots of miles and have a lot of fun and enjoyable. If you have any questions, hit us up on the contact seller button. If you need transportation assistance, let us know. You can get that. Or if you're ever interested in selling your car with 911R, use the contact seller button and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you very much and good luck.